Hello.
Hi.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nancy. I do lifestyle kind of vlogs, cooking here and there. I actually realized I do like to cook a lot, even though it's not even good most of the time. Some beauty here and there too, but I haven't really got a lot of makeup recently. I just like to use up what I have already. I realized if you have pimples like on your chin right here, and you just go like, you're just gone. Like in pictures, if you want to hide it, you can go like. Today I'm gonna do just like an everyday makeup look. I've had this bag since like the Black Friday of 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Time also moves super fast for me, so
I don't know what's going on.
that actually lasted a while. I need to change the bag. This is a big ass mirror. Wait, I'm just gonna start with foundation first. I actually got a few products from Glossier. I've always wanted to try Glossier because I always see their advertisements on like bus stops. That's a primary moisturizer balance. I'm gonna put it right on here. Wait, that shit is actually pretty dang smooth. Interesting. I'm gonna go with the Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation. That's what this. I feel so comfortable right now. I thought Real Techniques would be like really good because everyone talks about them and they're really popular. And they were like the only brand of beauty blender I could find at Target. But honestly, it's not even that soft.
I don't think it's supposed to hurt.
Skin looks kind of good if you don't go too close. You can get the eyes too. I'm gonna go with bronzer. I'm trying to use bronzer and contour like the same thing because they kind of like on the same name to me. And this is like a new one from BH Cosmetics. Oh, Inception. Do a little bit to start with. Does it make a difference? It doesn't really make a difference when I'm doing this for nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and set with the Innisfree. I'm gonna just set foundation and contour. I just tried to make a TikTok with this guy, but he kind of looks like I'm going with my Anastasia. The whole thing is still there. She's looking kind of strong, but I think it'll be okay. I made this YouTube channel like kind of near the start of quarantine a few months ago. I just thought that we'd be all out by now, but that is not the case. I had to pause it for a little bit because my grandma called me and he was like, I'm here. Concealer color. I kind of think I messed up. Cause it looks like a
Problematic.
okay, my eyeliner kind of got on it, but I came with a sticker and it's so cute. The thing I'm gonna do is set eyebrows because I watched I think Doja Cat's video and she put like a lot of powder on her eyebrow. I was like, whoa. It looks kind of weird, but I'm assuming that it works. So I'm gonna just try it out. Not like too much though. I'm trying with my Santa Claus eyebrows. Dump that powder on your eyebrow. Ooh, bye. Concealer on their eye for a base. I'm just gonna do that real quick. Now my face looks flat. Brush off the powder. Even soft. Even soft. So usually I would go for a brown because I feel like it matches my look the most. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a brown. I just gotta play around with it. I don't really have like a set pattern or colors. Also, school started for me yesterday, so I can't wait. Online school. This might look like a lot, but once you put on the lashes, I think it'll look more natural. Some of my eyelids are never the same color. Okay, not gonna go that close. I don't want you to see my imperfections. Next we need liner. Eyeliner. Ew! I am flat. No booty. No booty. I have shit everywhere. I'm just trying to find things every second. A little bit hectic. Position Formula eyeliner. I had this for quite a while. It's only like $7 on Amazon. I feel like the sun is making my face look sunburned right now. This is my lash collection. I finally moved out of that little box and put in that like packaging from an Amazon lashes. Honestly, Amazon has some good lashes. So I was gonna look something up on my phone and I was looking where it was. It's fucking right here. I don't know if I like these. I just lost my other lash. Ooh, I like these better. These are my most natural lashes. It's good for every day. I'm pretty sure it's from Lacy Lashes. Oh, the sun is going down. So I gotta be quick. Honestly, I don't even need blush. Because I could just pinch my face and it's so scented, but it'll just turn red. And get Asian glow. Asian glow. I'm just gonna use eyeshadow today. Just so it has effects. I don't really use blush. I'm gonna use this tiny brush and just kind of and then I'm gonna highlight so shiny. This will be eyeshadow, but the inner corners. The sun finally stopped making my face look yellow. It's lit. Anyways, actually, I kind of like blush. I just tried it for this video, but I thought I would just look sunburned. I wanna lipstick. Just a little bit.
I'm a little crazy on that.
I think I'm pretty much done. This is what I usually go for every day. Usually now, I don't really have anything to do. So I'm just get ready in the morning like this and just sit around. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Took something out of it. I'll see you next time. Probably a cooking video because I'd be getting cravings a lot. Or honestly, I don't know. But yeah, remember to like, subscribe, comment.
Bye.